Hello, I'm Leo from B4 Japan, and today I'm here to introduce you this 2010 Toyota Harry 240G model black color. It's a beautiful SUV, 4WD. Look the big headlights, radiator grille with chrome details, big Toyota logo. This model comes with fog lights, here on the side, on the left fender, you have the support mirrors. This one comes with 17 inches alloy wheels, a big side mirrors with turning signs, chrome details on the opener of the doors. Oh, here we have a small detail saying higher the model. The fuel tank is on the left side. Here on the back we have the rear spoiler with braking lights, these huge brake lines. Nice. 240G, that's the model. Toyota logo, chrome details here, Harrier. Nice one. Let's see the trunk. Woohoo! Yeah, there's a huge luggage space here. A little cover. Here you can see we have little lights here on both sides, left and right sides. There is also AC output here. Nice one. Let's take a look on the middle seat, passenger seats. Yay. Huge space. Here we have the AC output. You can close, open, and direct to the left, right, up or down. There are some details in the door. This one comes with a leather cover. It's not a leather seat, but looks good. The space inside is also good. Lights on the top. Here we have a detailed Harrier. Very nice. The door feels good as well. Look the wood feel details here. Let's take a look at the driver's seat. Yeah, it's a great luxury SUV. Look at the steering wheel. We have leather details here, power steering wheel, automatic, the AC controls, navigation system, DVD player, the side mirrors, controllers. Good. On the dashboard we have the temperature, the fuel, also the odometer, RPM meter. This one has run 75,000 kilometers. Nice. Let's open the engine. take a look at the engine. Woo! This is a big engine. Nice sound as well. This engine has 106 horsepower. It made about 11 kilometers per liter. Great SUV. Strong engine. Well done, Toyota. If you're interested in buying this car or interested in buying other luxury cars at low price, check the link at the description below. Please also check here to see how to import from B-Ford to your country. You can send your inquiries to top@bford.jp. Check the description below. We'll put a list of local offices. We might have a local office close to you so you can visit, inquiry about how to import cars from B-Ford to your country. Please check our website bford.jp. If you like this video, please like, share with your friends, family, and don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.